Hello foodies! Welcome back to Novel Kitchen. Today I am going to make nachos using rice flour. Nachos is a popular Mexican snack served with salsa. Take onion 1, 6 garlic cloves, add a little water to it and grind them well to make a fine paste. Take 1 cup of water in a pan, add little salt to it, half a teaspoon of oil, add grinded onion and garlic paste. Bring this water to boil, then add 1 cup of rice flour. Give this a good mix until the water is absorbed well in the medium flame. Cover it with a lid and cook in low flame for about 1 minute. After that, switch off the flame and transfer the mixture immediately into a bowl or plate. Once the mixture becomes warm, apply little oil to your hand and then knead them well to form a soft dough. This looks perfect. Drizzle some oil on the countertop or on the rolling board and sprinkle some rice flour. Take a small portion and roll it with the help of a rolling pin like a regular roti or chapati. It's okay if the edges don't turn out smooth because anyway we are going to remove them. Now break them with a fork or a knife. This will help to prevent them from fluffing up while frying. With a pizza cutter or a knife, remove the sides like this. And cut the rotis into triangles like this. Take care that the nachos should be thin like this. It should not be thick. You can cut them into how much of a big or small size you want. Repeat the same for the rest of the dough and make triangle chips like this. Healthy snacks is the best way to satisfy your munchies without the worry of too many added calories. Snacks you can eat any time of the day along with the tea, after school or at a birthday party. Snacks are every foodie's ultimate favorite, right? This rice nachos is going to be a different yet delicious nachos. This nachos brings a lovely twist to a typical Mexican nachos recipe. Our triangle rice nachos are ready to be fried now. In a medium hot oil, fry these triangle rice nachos chips in batches till it becomes crispy and golden brown in color. You can hear how crispy the nachos is. This is the correct stage. For masala, take 1 tablespoon of homemade Maggi masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, chaat masala half teaspoon. Mix them well. I have given the link for homemade Maggi masala in the description section below. Now add the rice nachos. Close it with the lid. Shake the box like this well till the rice nachos are coated well with the masalas. By doing like this, nachos will not break. Now our rice nachos are coated well with the masalas. You can also use your favorite masalas to coat the rice nachos. This nachos brings a lovely twist to a typical Mexican nachos recipe and is best enjoyed as starter. Store these chips in an airtight container for longer shelf life. For quick salsa, take chopped onion 1, 4 garlic cloves chopped, 1 green chilies chopped, 1 tomato chopped, coriander leaves 2 tablespoons, salt to the taste, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon. Mix them well. Tomato ketchup 1 to 2 tablespoons. It's optional. Mix them well. Here our delicious quick salsa is ready now. These nachos with salsa surely causes a burst of flavors and textures in your mouth. Thank you.